Students, you have learned division and multiplication of fractions in my previous lecture. Now, I am going to explain decimals. You have learned in class 6 some basic concept of decimals, and also you have learned how to represent decimals on number line. Actual decimals are an extension of number system. Each decimal has two parts. 25.66 whole number part and decimal part. Each part separated by a dot. It is called decimal or point. We read it 25.68, not 68. After decimal, you have to read separately 6, 8, 9, 10, 6, 8, 9, 1, yeah, 0.2346, etc. Okay. Now 25 whole number part, 68 decimal part. This is called dot, point or decimals. Now like and unlike decimals. Like decimal 2.48, 4.30, 28.04, 123.12, etc. These are or 1.689, 2.702, 28.002. These are like decimal. Decimal having the same number of place. Decimal having the same number of place is called like decimals. Okay. Otherwise, the decimals are unlike. Unlike 2.04, 3.2, 8.689. You can see easily after decimal two numbers, two digit. After decimal only one digit. After decimal three digit. So these are unlike decimal. If we add or subtract the decimals, first we have to convert in like decimals. Suppose we add 1.23 and 4.6. How to add? First we have to write 1.23, then 4.6, and there is no digit, so you have to put 0 to make like decimal. Then add 3, 6 to 8, 4, 1, 5. Answer is 5.83. Now we take other example. Add 0.468, 2.04 and 6.82. First we have to write systematically 0.486, then 2.04, then 6.82. unlike decimals, so you have to put 0 to make like fraction. 6, 14 carry 1, 13 put the decimal, carry 1, 9. Okay, 6, 8, 4, 12, 2, 14, 4, carry 1, 4, 1, 5, 4, 8, 13, carry 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 9. Okay, same is we can subtract decimals. Subtract 7.689 from 12.008. Okay, so first we have to write 12.008, then subtraction, put the sign of subtraction, 7.689. Now 9 here, 9, 1, then here 9, 3 and 11, 4. Okay, you can check 9, 9, 18, 8, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 0, 61, 69 or 1, 10, now 7, 4, 1 and 12. So if we subtract 7.689 for 12.00, we get 4.319. Now we take another example. Subtract 0.048 from 1.689. Write 1.689, 0.048, 1, 4, 6 and 1, 1.641. Now we will learn how to multiply decimals. Suppose we have a number 2t24.86 and we want to multiply by 10. Okay, if you multiply 10, decimal will shift one place by right 8.6. If you multiply by 100, any decimals number, 68.004 into 100. 20, so decimal will shift after 2 digit by right 6800.4. If you want to multiply by 100, 6.82 into 1000. 3 numbers, but here only 2 digits, so you have to put 0. 8 to 0.0. 6820.0. If you multiply 6.82 by 1000. Okay, now multiply 2.3 into 4. 4 3 ja 12, carry 1, 4 2 ja 8 and 1 9. Multiply after one digit, So you have to put decimal from right to left, one digit. Okay. After decimal one digit, so you have to put decimal after one digit, right to left. Multiply 2.4 I 1.2. First you have to multiply directly. 12 4 ja 48, carry 4, 4 2 ja 24, plus 4 28. After decimal here one digit, and after decimal one digit, so you have to put digit after decimal after two digit, from right to left. Result is 2.88. Now we will learn division of decimals. 4.8 divided by 10. Here 4.8 divided by 10. So decimal will shift left, right to left. 0.48. Result is 0.48. If we multiply by divide by 100, 68.04 100. 2 digit, so decimal will shift after 2 digit, before 2 digit, 0.6804. If we divided by 1000, 2.68 into 1000, sorry, divided by, and divided by 1000, 3 digit, 0, so we shift 0 and 0 after or before 3 digit, so 0.00268. Okay. Now you can take some question from your textbook and practice it. I have already given you notes on integers, fractions and decimal, so you have to practice some other question. Okay.